Okay, so I'm gonna show you all how I got these twists in my head. So I only used like one and like a little bit of a second pack of that twisted up hair. So now I'm just showing y'all how I prepare to do the twist. The products that I use to put on my hair before I twist it up. Okay, so the hair pretty much easily separates itself, so it's easy to just pull one piece of hair. So I'm going to show you how much hair I need for just one twist. So I took that one piece and then I just cut it in half, and then I'm going to use that half piece to start my twist. All right, so now I'm going to show you where this little bitty piece comes from and its purpose. This little piece right here came from, I took this piece, so this is one full piece, cut it in half, and then I cut this in half again. So that's where this little small piece comes from. I'm going to be using one piece, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to add this one on there as well. So, taking my one piece. Okay, so I'm going to begin by just beginning as a braid. And I did stretch that one piece of hair out to prepare to begin my twist. So I'm just going to begin as a braid. And I'm only just going to braid a little bit down. I did not necessarily count as I braided down. But you're going to see I'm only going to braid a little bit down. And then I'm going to split my hair into two before I get ready to twist. Now I'm going to prepare like you're beginning to twist. And I'm going to try to hide as much of my hair as I can. I did try to do that, but I didn't really care that much about that. Yeah, so as I was twisting each piece down a little bit before I prepared to cross over and twist down, I was just hiding my hair as much as I could. So just watch me twist in slow motion so you can see exactly how I am twisting. Note that I did add product a little bit as I was twisting down. You can use gel or whatever you prefer to help you go as you twist, because the hair can be a little bit rough. But now you're going to see how I'm going to use that little small piece that I showed you, how I'm going to add it on to this twist. So I'm going to firmly place that little piece in between where I split my twist. And then I'm going to firmly hold, as you can see, the right side of my twist as I twist down the left side, attaching that piece. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, and I'm going to be twisting the same direction. So basically, if you know how to start a twist at the root as a twist instead of braiding it down like I did, I'm doing the same exact thing as I am adding on that piece of hair. I did not add on an extra little piece onto every twist in my head. I only did it to about the last two rows in my head. And the reason that I did that is because you will see when you begin twisting your hair, when it starts falling and you get at the top, it will not be the same length as the hair as your twist at the back, basically. So it depends on how you want your hair layered, because some of my pieces, like at the top, like the last two, I wanted like a little layered look, so I didn't even add those last two front pieces right there. I didn't even add I didn't attach an extra piece to it. I hope y'all are able to understand what I just said. Basically, I am going to do another one for y'all to see, but if you have any questions, please put a question in the comments and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And of course, subscribe to my channel, because I will be posting more videos like this, but just showing different styles that I do on myself.